Good morning and welcome, students. I am your social science teacher Namisha. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. So in today's class, we are just continue the chapter number 2 of geography. The name is Globe, a small model of the earth. So beta, we are continue from this comparison between latitudes and longitude. In the last classes we have just explained the each and everything of latitude and what is a latitude and longitude also. So now we are just comparing this. What is the comparison between the latitude and longitude? Latitude, it is the angular distance of place in a north or south of the equator. What is that meaning of latitude? Latitude basically beta, it is the angular distance between that the north or the south from the equator. ओके यानी कि जो है नॉर्थ टू साउथ में डिस्टेंस क्रिएट करता है. एंड द लॉन्गिट्यूड इट इज़ द लॉन्गिट्यूड एंगुलर डिस्टेंस ऑफ प्लेसेस ईस्ट और वेस्ट ऑफ अ प्राइम मेरिडियन ऑल्सो. So I will explain also what is that prime meridian. So this is from, have you seen in the picture as well कि prime in a longitude ये आपको distance create करता है ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट में, एंड द लैटिट्यूड डिस्टेंस क्रिएट करता है नॉर्थ एंड साउथ में. इक्वेटर इज द लॉन्गेस्ट लैटिट्यूड, आई वी ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट. and the longitude, all the longitudes are equal in length. So equator is also called the 0 degree latitude. Apart from this, prime meridian is considered as a 0 degree longitude. Now distance from the latitude is equal except at the poles in the slightly less. If you seeing the latitude, when you are going to the poles, तो क्या होता है, latitude decrease होनी start हो जाती है. Have you seen that in a picture as well? So but in a longitude the equal distance varies, यानी कि यहाँ पर latitudes में all the meridians, okay, all the lines and all the meridians are the equal in number. So now we are just come to this. What is a prime meridian? बेटा, have you seen in the equator? आपने equator देखा था in a latitude that is a 0 degree, okay? And now come to the prime meridian on a circle. Have you seen these lines, these degrees and these lines? It is a particular line has been, and it is a 0 degree. See this line? This is the prime meridian line. This line is a prime meridian. It is divided our earth into two equal halves in a east or in a east side or in a west side. So this is the prime meridian. Okay, have you seen this? This is the prime meridian line. So basically beta, this line through runs a astronomical observatory at Greenwich near London. ये line कहाँ से होकर गुजर रही है? That is a United Kingdom. United Kingdom in London. Sorry, London is in United Kingdom, and this line is a 0 degree observatory line. So basically बेटा, astronomical observatory means हमने अगर हम देखें तो बेसिकली नक्षत्र ग्रहों के हिसाब से, और दिस इज़ अ इमेजिनरी लाइन एज वेल. सो दिस इज़ अ Greenwich observatory line in London. It absolutely opposite side of 180 degree. Have you seen this? Upper one is a 180 degree and the lower one is a 0 degree prime meridian. It is an international date line which passes through a Pacific Ocean. और ये कहाँ से पास हो रहा है? That is from the Pacific Ocean. All the longitude to the east of prime meridian till international date line, it's called east meridian. Beta, every time has, see, this one is called a east meridian and this one is called a west meridian. And what is the international date line? International date line beta, it is a standard time. लाइक हम टाइमिंग्स देखते हैं ना, व्हेन वी आर सेटिंग अवर वॉचेस, तो उस टाइम के अकॉर्डिंग दिस इज़ द प्राइम मेरिडियन लाइन. इसी के अकॉर्डिंग हम अपना टाइम एंड लोकेशन सेट कर पाता है इंटरनेट. ठीक है, हैव यू सीन दैट? सैटेलाइट को टाइम कैसे पता चलता है? ठीक है, कि अभी इतना बज गया, इतना बज गया. हैव यू सीन इन मोबाइल ऑल्सो कि इन योर मोबाइल देयर इज़ अ सम फंक्शन कि वो आपको लंदन का टाइम, ठीक है, एंड क्लॉक आप जाके देखेंगे आज. सो आपको तब पता चलेगा कि ईच एंड एवरीथिंग इंटरनेशनल डेट लाइन क्या है. So in international date line, it is both are 180 degree east and 180 degree west. यानी कि अगर हम ईस्ट साइड से जाएंगे दैट इज़ अ when we are go the east side, so that is a 180 degree east and 180 degree west. It is the international date line. It is slightly irregular, not absolutely follow 180 degree east or west meridian. This has been done so ensure passes through the ocean, no land, different time and either or side line. Have you seen beta? This is the basically international date line. थोड़ा सा it is very typical and in next things you have to understand it. Yes, that is a longitude and time. Beta, longitude and time, have you seen this? Earth rotate from west to east. Earth rotate from west to east. Have you know that कि अर्थ हमारी कैसे मूव करती है? वेस्ट टू ईस्ट. It takes 24 hours. As you know that in a one day there is a 24 hours. So that means all the 360 degree has expelled above passes through a Pacific point in 24 hours. All the beta these are the Pacific time point are calculated. अब इसे हम कैसे कैलकुलेट कर देंगे कि इन 24 आवर्स अर्थ रोटेट 360 डिग्री, यानी कि 24 आवर्स में अर्थ कैसे हो रही है? 360 डिग्री रोटेट हो रही है. इन 1 आवर इट टेक्स रोटेट 15 डिग्री. वी हैव टू डिवाइड दैट. आपको पता है कि आप कैसे मैथ्स भी करते हैं कि वी हैव टू नो दैट कि 5 पेन्स हमें 25 रुपीज़ के पड़ रहे हैं, तो 1 पेन हमें कितने का पड़ेगा? सो सेम एज दैट द अर्थ रोटेट्स 24 आवर्स में 1 रोटेशन लेती है, दैट इज़ इन 360 डिग्री. सो इन 1 आवर कितना रोटेट करेगी अर्थ? तो वी हैव डिवाइडेड 360 इंटू 360 from that 24. So the answer is 15 degree. Further it takes 1 hour, यानी कि 1 hour में कितना? 60 minutes में it transverse 15 degree. Then it 1 degree takes off 4 minute. और अगर हम देखें कि 1 minute में 1 degree कितने minutes में रोटेट हो रहा है? So that is in 4 minute. 1 degree कितने minutes में रोटेट हो रहा है? 4 minutes. Again I am explaining this. In our day 360 there is a 24 hours. 1 day में 24 hours होते हैं and our earth moves in 360 degree. Okay, so in 1 hour कितना डिग्री मूव होता है? That is in 15 degree. But in a 1 minute in a 1 degree how many minutes it take? It takes a 4 minute. Now we are taking out local time. कि how we are just use that local time. All the places filling under the particular meridians. Have you seen in this picture? See, this is a international date and time. इससे आपको पता चलेगा this one is the east time and this one is a west time. So basically our earth, our India actually, our India is basically हमारा अर्थ our इंडिया कितना है? इट इज़ अ 5 and 30 डिग्री, या सॉरी 5 hours 30 minutes. ये हमारी प्राइम मेरिडियन से पीछे है. नाउ वी आर जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस ऑल्सो. नॉर्मली देयर इज़ अ 180 मेरिडियंस, 1 for each degree. I have told you 1 for each degree. And west and a similar number to east of the prime meridian. Same as that beta, these in the globe and a different hour and a different meridians. See these meridians कि 1 hours में आपको different location show होगी. So in the earth rotates west to east, it moves to east to prime meridian. हमारी earth कैसे move करती है? West to east. And as we move east to the prime meridian, we add every hour for every 15 degree and we subtract 1 hour for every 15. That we move west. It is bit a little bit typical, but आप धीरे धीरे समझेंगे. So it is very simple. Okay. The sun crossing the international date line means date changes. जैसे जैसे सन जो है वो अपनी पोजीशन को चेंज करता है, वैसे ही टाइम मेरिडियन में भी चेंजेस आते हैं. नाउ कम टू दैट स्टैंडर्ड टाइम. स्टैंडर्ड टाइम इज़ एवरी कंट्री हैज फिक्स टाइम. जैसे इंडिया में इन अगर दिल्ली देयर इज़ अभी 9:30 हो रहे हैं. सो 9:30 दिल्ली में भी हो रहे हैं एंड 9:30 केरला में भी हो रहे हैं. सो इंडिया हैज़ अ फिक्स टाइम. ठीक है. दिस एवरी कंट्री हैज़ अ फिक्स टाइम. This depends on local meridian passing through their country. Some countries are also large. They had a 10 time zones. For example, Russia. Russia has a 11 zones. बेटा सबसे ज़्यादा like in India, India has only one zone. जो टाइम दिल्ली में हो रहा है वही टाइम केरला में हो रहा है, वही टाइम कश्मीर में हो रहा है. बट इन रशिया इज़ अ बिग कंट्री एंड देयर इज़ अ 11 टाइम जोन. ऑन द अदर हैंड इंडिया एक्सटेंड बिटवीन 68 degree 7 degree east to 97 degree 25 degree east. If every meridian has been accepted at a local time, there would be 29 local time which would be very difficult to manage, cause a lot of confusion. अगर हर डिग्री के हिसाब से हम देखेंगे सो बेसिकली बेटा बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम कन्फ्यूजन हो जाएगा जिसकी वजह से हम लोग कन्फ्यूज़ हो सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ टू शो to remove that difficulty we have making timetables or schedule also. It is nearby us. India has time taken based on the line passes 82.5 degree east. This is known as standard meridian of India or standard time. At this time it is 1.5 यानी कि 5 hour 30 minutes ahead of prime meridian passes through the Greenwich. Have you seen this? This is the international date of line. Have you seen it? plus 5:30 दिख रहा होगा आपको. And this is the green line. So basically बेटा it is हमारी इंडिया जो है वो 5.5 घंटे आगे चलती है प्राइम मेरिडियन से. एंड अगर हम देखें सो डिग्रीज इज़ 82.5 degree east. Do you know the Jantar Mantar collection of architectural astronomical instrument beta in the Maharaja Jai Singh second Jaipur. They in that time there is no clock or no watch. So लोग टाइम कैसे मेजर करते थे? So they have to make a particular monument or particular architecture for measuring the time. Have you seen in the Jantar Mantar in Delhi as well? So have you watching for the time also. So now beta this exercise you have to do in your notebook. Beta no need to write a 4 options लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So you can put the correct answer. And this is the fill in the blanks also you can do in your notebook. True false do in your notebook. Match the following also do in your notebook. And this is the identified 10 words. These puzzle you have to make it. आपको ये puzzle बनानी है. The answer I have already written in this. Answers मैंने लिखे हुए. You have to just show it. Okay. Thank you so much students.